Hi, everybody. As you know, Robert Kempster here from New York. Um, I was going to start this just to fire myself up by singing, I'm all about the bass, no trebles. I'm all about the bass. But in this case, take bass and slide in Bootcamp. I've titled this video Bootcamp Emotions, and I have to tell you, it was amazing to be there in Coach Larry's presence, Stephanie, Steph Perez, as we all know her, his presence. And then the legend himself came in for a couple of hours on Sunday. I'm still like in dreamland or la la land over all this. It was amazing. If I have to sum up my legendary experience in 7 words, I will pick the following words: honesty, integrity, passion, knowledge, family, compassion, value. I don't know where else you can find all 7 of these components in the same organization with the same set of people. It's unbelievable. You don't find that every day. I wanted to do this. I came back. I've got allergies. If you look closely, my eyes are watery and all that. But I can't hide this. I can't keep it to myself. You'll be surprised. But let me try to say some of the stuff. I jotted some stuff down. This is not exactly scripted. I will be saying some things based on what I jotted, but it's mostly what I think, and I've been dealing with this emotion for quite a while. Since I left, I flew back in yesterday morning. I had to go straight to work because, hey, I'm still working. I have a passion for what I do. I mostly have passion for everything I do anyway. And that is not about to change. And I will continue to have passion for all I do because my life is all about passion. Those of you that spend time with me at these events and at different times and levels, you know that I am passionate about what I do. I come across all kinds of ways, but everybody would agree that passion is there. I also am privileged to be blessed also with compassion. I love that about my gifts. That I appreciate. But to get back into this, most people like me said they came to the boot camp with certain expectations. I came with the question in my mind of how to connect the dots. I've been doing a lot of things since the last sales and marketing experience, or even before that, because I wanted to really be sure what I'm doing and if this would really work. So I put my resources and energies into testing it out. And the more I dig in, the more convinced I am. But back to the bootcamp. I never got to ask the question that I came to ask, which was how to connect the dots. I never got to answer the question because they connected all the dots for me. Every single dot, even those dots I never knew existed. So without even asking, they answered my questions. And apparently, so did they answer most of the questions of the other participants. Coach Larry and Steph Perez gave so much value. I already got more than my money's worth before lunch time on Saturday, the very first day, within 3-4 hours. I already got more than what I paid for. It does not get better than that. So much so, this is moving me to say this, to do this video. And you guys know I hardly do videos, but hey, I'm glad to see you guys are dropping in, and you inspire me. You make me feel good trying to do this and making an attempt to do this. Then on Sunday, the legend himself, David Sharp, he came in and he cracked it all wide open. He cracked the secret of the secret to the secret of all secrets wide open. Dropped it in our lap, just like that. Boom. Then he said, subtly, after it all, after dropping that big bomb, and he goes, there is really no secret. Right after he gave us the recipe for the secret sauce itself, he says, there is really no secret. And believe it or not, throughout this whole bootcamp experience, everything is so simple. It's unbelievable. At one point I said, I don't know why I never saw this. And it wasn't just me, because I could see it on every other participant's face. This inspired me so much. I made a lot of promises in my mind that I thought about making a declaration that, look, if anybody in Legendary Marketer goes to bootcamp and do not have a business-changing, life-changing, business-changing experience, I will personally refund the money you paid for bootcamp up to $1,000, because I don't think they're going to keep it as cheap as we paid to get in for long. And I also think there should be a minimum requirement. Your level of development maybe should play a part into you attending this thing, because you don't drop this kind of value to somebody that can't even see it. That's all I have to say. One last thing. The bootcamp is a silver bullet for killing failure. I repeat, the bootcamp is a silver bullet for killing failure. It is electrifying. It will revolutionize your approach to this online marketing business. And it will leave you with life-changing information and awareness that you won't find anywhere else. The close group, the closeness, the proximity, the face-to-face of it, how do I say it? The value is priceless. I'm not a marketing expert, but those are the best words I can find, okay? I look forward to you guys taking an advantage of it. And I think for the most part, those friendships that I made at the sales and marketing experience is the reason I really wanted to do this video. And I'm saying to those of you that we got to connect, you missed a big deal. This was a big effing deal. Please, never miss it again. Pull everything you got, and don't let them take it out of the office. I mean, it's still going to be a lot of value, but I think there is something special about that size and the face-to-face and the honesty and the emotions you can read. You know, when you're close up and personal to somebody, you know when they're telling you the truth, the absolute truth, and it's coming from their heart. We felt that. We all saw it. Good luck. Have a great day, Legendary family. I hope you find value in this. I hope I have been able to share, not the details of what I got, because that's a Legendary Marketer copyright entitlement. It's not for me to throw it out there. But you guys, dig in, check this out. Don't miss this. Have a great one. Thank you. Robert out.